In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim a YouTube video after uploading it. So for this, you want to go into your YouTube studio and then find the video that you want to trim. So let's say that I want to trim this video. You then find it and click on details, which is going to send you over to the video details page. And once you're here, you should be able to find editor right here. Click on that and it's going to send you over to the YouTube editor that we can use to trim our videos. Then once you're here, you will see your video and you will also see trim. You want to click on that and it's going to help you trim your video. Now next up, you basically want to select this and hold it and then drag it over to the part where you want to trim it. Okay, so let's say that I want to cut out this part. You then simply drag this over here. You click on preview and you then click on save at the top right corner if this is the part that you want to trim. Now you can also split a video. So let's say that you want to cut out a part in the middle. You then hit split right here and you basically do it like this. So drag this over here, then drag this over here, and right now it's going to cut out this part in the middle. Now let's say that you want to cut out this part, then you basically do it like that, or just like this. So that's how you can trim and split a video on YouTube after uploading. If this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. That would help me out in the YouTube algorithm, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.